Hello, good morning. So today we have left Zurich and we are on the way to Innsbruck, Austria. We will check in to Austria today, and behind you see that is the Rhine Falls. That is a very beautiful and famous fall in Switzerland. So we are there, and here people are enjoying in boat riding also. I can show you. Behind me you can see there is a red color boat. My niece Mitanki and auntie are riding in there. Behind there is another boat is also coming. You can see the beautiful location, and the plethora of water is flowing from here. Environment is very chilled. She is my mother. So you can see the quantity of water flowing. Really it is very beautiful water flow. Atmosphere is also cool. So overall we are quite enjoying. You can see upstairs there is a cafe. Thank you.